Ndinono ko wina. La kono uzibona zori oh bathu bafuna somebody chivenda ngori they are like related to it more than English and it's more powerful. The cracking code ndoto crack urimi riwane ndira na maipfi one adale ngori obosi na maipfi chivenda cha chitokonda completely.
We used to feel embarrassed. Ngora ri ngorepa nga Venda ri 20 and then munwe na munwe anisedzisa zwimwevo. You feel you know what? Njomori Venda chinga sirepe. Uri niwe murepa wa dope ngodi repa nga English. Papa di fere hana baba nga ri fere techelesa ni bulaka www.venrap.co.za. Kadi wani du kandi suhana ndi wona ndi wa manguni. Wari ni nema Tiri! So ngori votera ni palaka yabo ni nti. Wari ni SA Hip Hop Awards. Abara ni dobuza zunye ndi chibuya. Let's go rife SK uri farera minute. Ndo mfazo wabu udiri mswana hoyo ri side dish ne. Aibo. Abadi fe.
Back then Rasa wane play. So that's where I realized hey, Nema, let's start like doing our own radio station so we can get a play. It was hard for us as Venda rappers to get a play on national radio stations. Nanchingaisa disc, so wasatambe. So even now, I mean, the experience would ritambi wakazi radio station. Mara aschafana na zamra. So aboto do ne chance or ritambi ono visa that anger yori artambi uka national radio stations. Singo chua singo shaba to turandita. Dimufuna upata jitibu sikaka. Ka enendi wakuma sango furanga jibra. People like to listen to music. They want to listen to different kind of music. They don't want to be fed what everybody is being fed, you know. Like you listen to this song here, you change the channel, is that one, you go the Drake TV, the same stuff. They, you know, giving them that music, they never realize that it exists. Some raw talent that have great, you know, they bring you the great experience you never expected.
Nema and Bomo made a difference by coming up with this Venrap radio, because like people didn't even know where to download some tracks, you know. So they're creating a good platform for upcoming artists, even for us rappers who are in the game for a while here in Venda. So Bomo and Nema doing a good job, man. I'm like, big up, salute to them.
The movement is huge. In 2 years from now, Ringavarono Gia South Africa lot, so Raja South Africa lot, which means states are called there, and Arco do change Arwambolash because we proudly Venda. That's what you want to watch in a Vendangomu, and then so believe Namona Korepanga Rumble, Kunaguita Makaya, with Shango lot, because Nangase I'm being a rumble and is proud. Nemos won or Arco and a support the station is Zote, Maravone Rizao, Ziambor Nemos won or Mona on a platform where you're going to teach us what that's what my Venrap radio. So yeah, I'm behind the movement as well.
To the beats of Africa with your favorite songs on Afro Musica, right here on eNoli Plus.
avatanga vontoba ne business ndikuzvidiva murovo none mungokoro than ambudza uri una bindu nende leitiwoga ngari ine ndandofana ndovudziwa una mafungo nyana ahiding vakohide avatanga tamusivone vovudziwa avatodha vona chitori cha bindu elilo lerione
chitori cha bindu elini lavakone nne ndotosumbedziwa nga SMS ndavona zvinhu zvakutomoitiwa zvino ngapa uri vana ndi vana and zvino vakuzvitakarira zvinhu rikuzvitakarira ngari voni vanivona vana dzipurani dzevana vadzonenga mudzimu voye rikotio vatotuwedza kuti ndizone khavabvere phanda namushumo kuita vone zvakohakwa nga ndira ntiya uri mini ava pulani izvo zvavo vatohajeka
tamusi ndi strategy chavo chautakula
chazvinoari
vatendee
chavaswa
niduka ndisuhana nding'ona ndiwamaunguni zvinondaita zone vamwe vari mara nitani na I'ma give you the best of the best out of the rest. Let me wrap it up. So zvino ti irani nidienga fizi ti fizi uri hezo mavivo ti hangadondana nazo ti so ndidolatera ti ndaichincha ndaidova ndaijenisa nipa ndanibechera yone rari haazwa vivo rezveliche risongoite zva zivivo na zivivo na zivivo velele. Let's go.
Ezwi ari kuamba nga Venrap. Venrap una radio. Ticha chipinga rachigungura badori ari kuona the airplay na mini ari kutambiwa. So rather I write a radio station ya online ine na vatu variseli vakonoitecheresa vatu vote uya nga shango lote so vakonojena ravona na statistics uri ndi vatu vangana vanokoitecheresa rajenisa dzishow ratamba dzitreke radzenedza fano ayani zvone zvo zvine vapo vavakotecheresa radio dzanepa yani nedzi dza national nane cha chitu chioperatisa zvone zvima
chotoma lini
chotoma 2013 ngadzi 1 za May ovone riko iko ichikoto ya live on air
echo chitu china license kana chisokotoitwa chajenerera ka dzi frequencies dzavamwe
okay achijenerera frequency ngandara ari kungori chijena mara license yo license wa overseas ri zvaudzudara kuda chitu independent pano waimwa pano so decision right yori ara radio i online auna need yori kutotwara ku controliwa una milayo ya standard ine yes ya i hone no control para feds ro license zo tori kushumisa system ine yavori asiya pano uri pano khadiva murawo nga manda chidaka zvo dzi computer ringa vari kuona robverera mara una so zwingi zwine pano ari tuzushikerera.
Team of Limpopo, Nema wa Mahunguni.
I was nominated for the best hip-hop radio station, Hustler of the Year, and King of Limpopo. So I took two, which is best hip-hop radio station and King of Limpopo, and I lost Hustler of the Year to Proverb. But that is nothing, Jaite and Wichiro's Yawanara. But right now, I'm the most excited man in this country, you know.
I just want to thank Chimianga from Venrap Radio,
I rap in Venek, which is Venda. So, but ready, everybody's ready. We killed it last week in Fan Valley. So wherever we go, we're giving the best that nobody have ever expected. So the new music now is coming to the scene. Everyone will expect us the Venrap music, and we're taking it to the top.
Friday remedy pony, Saturday remedy pony. Check it. Mananyanga shipam shot. Takila record shot. How nora.
When we started Venrap Radio 3 years ago, but vachi vonogari kopenga. Vachi vonogari kokidimedza susu. Some told us we were never gonna make it. Some told us that we were overambitious. Nobody took us serious. It was so painful to hear people whom you trust discouraging you. Vanhu vachindikudzori asi matamba vanoita radio station, but vonani namusi. Today we have an online radio station that's been recognized by the South African Hip Hop Awards. We have an award-winning radio station that even those who didn't believe in us are proud of it today.
Feel it. It's all about the moves. It's all about the beat. Get your body moving to the sounds of Beat Zone. Right here on eNoli Plus.
Venrap ndi aristo tanganedza uri ndi line ya muzika une uko takula Tshivenda, uko takula language ya vhorine, culture ya vhorine iko takuwa nga Venrap. Ine ndikuvona uri vhathu kana vano ngavo Bomo, Mizofilo, vhathu kana vano to ngavo Ramsey, Rachiki. We need these guys, these boys. They need to develop our language, because music is a universal language. So if music goes, even Tshivenda will go. So nandikutombela uri vhathu vashu ri supportane, ri support vhathu kana vashu, our youth, they are developing.
Yeah, the bomb agent, Jerusalem up on the road, oita decipher.
Re va re kho inspire the upcoming artists uri dzi kono ḓivha uri dzi ḓimaketisa hani na uri music vha tshi ṅwala vha ṅwalise hani, so no to itela uri vha kono ḓivha uri vha nga feature nnyi kana vha sa shumise nnyi. So it's just a learning curve ine ra kho ṱoḓa i shumisa sa Venrap uri mini uri vhathu vha tshi khou hula ri fanela u ita zwithu as a combination and we work on the skills uri muṅwe u khou itani. So yeah, hala.
Yeah, what the hell? That's a rap ndi Jack Bunny. E flow ndi chigaba ngeni visera na kapi. Muva wote ndi chimbira na gani. Punch dzinga uppercut. Kwamba Muhammad Ali marapi sa heavy ndani puncha ningapenga. Titi toma disaso tofa ndi chijena. Mrapa niko papa niko udanga uchansa ni chantwana ndo nikanda. Kwa TB Joshua. Mrapa ndo ni Jaka. Ini niche mwana flow ya mindo irera. Ni dibi zakila ngorna botsavo mandera. What the hell? Ni gani dibi jali celeb. Ni sakoni na urapa ni dibi jali celeb. Yeah.
Venrap is mobile. Wherever we go, we can go anywhere as long as we have internet. If you want to go live, we go live. Wi-Fi, internet connection. As long as it's 3G connection, we can connect. It's mobile. We can put it on our own bags, cars. Doesn't matter.
Yo, bam bam, chillin' on my gang. Jerusalem, process zonga the camp. Grab a microphone, that gisange no posse. Dinner my gang, a Gia in microphone.
Gia microphone, pandemic on the flow. The swika ne fande kujia nyana the video. Bari jemi kufaya, hande bas diva de kada kujena kamzika. Benso mojaya, hande benite ya uchila. Bari ni jemi ko swika Jerusalem, benso mapenga. Dikade vendaro ni wudazori shapurtino ijena. Na Jose batino dara, niri walala wasala. Hene kaufela bakunya go putela chamahara.
These days, I mean, everything Chico convert you into application. Sionova application. If you look at the drums that you play in church, Zono convert you a Zonova application, so you can play it on Fruit Loop, Reason. So yeah, the setup is more like that. Yeah, Naya Studio. That application ifana exactly na station cha vhukuma ni khou vhona michini lani na zwithu zwoṱhe zwo loader ene zwo zwine na vha ni khou zwi vhona mara the different ndi uri mini that one is an application your design
sini na mandala dzikani fano ndi vandala vara Chuck Taylor no rwanga sandala ndibva kule repa nsongo valela ahead no rwa top ngazo zwoni balela.
Our shows are random, but before we try to redzive as normal shows on Chimira Monday, Tuesday. So no one knows what we try to afternoon drive and morning drive. It's on the same slot. But the rest of the shows is very good shuffle. Depending Kori, DJ Anaguda, una or free when can it deliver?
I'm not gonna rap. He's not gonna rap, but we make them clap. Kobas di bazo hotel Venda Rebecca map, Nibi the Venrap, Yendi Venda rap.
If you wanna go live, you can go live. But due to data consumption, you find that if we pre-record, we save more data than when we go live, where you spend that if you go to broadcast alone in a show, which is 1 hour or 3 hours, depending, sometimes you find that in an hour you're using like 50 gig, which is a lot. So we decided, you know what, if we're gonna pre-record shows, and then because we have DJs all over the country, those DJs, they mix their mixes, they do their recording, but they send out like a week before, 2 days before, a day before, or hours before the show. Then we load them and then we time them to go and yeah, to sound live and everything to be perfect.
Na bomo ngori Venda rap chapuri
sanga dimtaka sitata muda lizinyo kandi diposa sa kifundo zanisi yani kokoko vaye ndila chabiko niggas dinga kokonya kwamba sale wanda hotel tena songo kokonya tadi papa panda ni bombonya ndani gagaganda ni kokonya bramani flow toni kemba ndo fuwa batimu ni kopenga ndo kuthasa popo ndi nyongwa nganga ndo izima ndo sacrifice amra ndo ko vachipa ko ngure pa repo
because I'm gonna give a, let's say you're studying something, media, and then you don't even have an internship. It's difficult to get an internship. We also guide you through for you to build up your profile and being known before you even finish your studies. We give you a platform, ni DJ, ni producer, whatever you want to do. We give you a chance. Or you cannot establish.
Okay, push it, but then I don't the breaks, my bar and a mistake. Woman ladies, this is our and I'm fan as a woman power. Carry copy share eat a mixtape, my ladies have para over cake. So then I chest this nigga ain't funny. So this my dog don't look like bunnies. Carry copy tickets are turning to and this is the
message you need anga ubiseranda ndi wori like resongo todo babo Thomas Matendongo bona kana raba the followers ari Thomas something from scratch. Ridena stuzwiswa ndione ritokona aluwa and then Venda lovesa slow ka aluwa murawa ngengori bathu basa di believe kavo basa di tembi basa kuri hayi azwiti like zwino I mean lono ba shango la the smartphones, smart everything, so ningaita chithu chimwe na chimwe na ita something ka community. So songo lindela uri ude muṅwe muthu ono bva America a thome chimwe chithu ri tevhele a ri thome zwithu ri na zwithu zwiṅwe na zwiṅwe zwine ra vha nazwo
zwine na zwi humbula nga muhumbulo a zwi vhe zwine na zwi ita kha reality, because ni arali ni khou humbula uri muṅwe muthu o ita tshithu tsha so funa sita uri ndi zwifhio zwine zwa khou shorta ḽifhio gap ḽine ini nanga ḽi vala.
Usizoro mi orebo mali konisa mbura marabeni anidali chenda changa chiri made in Italy this pita Timbuktu na pongani mali animate gangsters saluni chun bandera ngati bondox Riley barepa finger chota bana rhyming bana mukozi vatodarita dia vape hype vafnesta beefy mara vana canine valanga drippy so vatoda pipe. Rap is not a game, it's a street fight. The game is over, so Jensani 50 cents. Put your faith on, ka almighty. Rapping no head and to the navigator guide.
Yeah, me say murder. This is blood clot fire, blood clot fire. You me say murder, 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 murder. Blood clot fire, blood clot fire. Fire, fire, murder, 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 murder. Blood clot fire, blood clot fire. Your fire, 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 murder, 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 murder. Blood clot fire, blood clot fire. So there I was in the city where I was feeling all lonely. Niggas be greedy, they so they.
E-Nolly Plus has signed a code of conduct that is enforced by the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa.